Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. I hope this video finds you all well and that you and your family had a wonderful Christmas time. As we wrap up 2023, I wanted to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. When I started this channel back in August 2021, I never imagined the incredible community that would form around our shared passion for options trading. And creating this content for this channel has been an amazing journey. It's been filled with learning, growth, valuable connections, and your engagement and your comments and your support have meant a lot to me. However, after much reflection, I have decided to step back from creating new videos and options trading in general. It has been a hard decision to make as I realize this channel is growing and my automated trading strategies are progressing nicely, but I believe it's the right one for me and my family at this time. So my mental health and relationships with loved ones far outweigh any of the benefits that I could receive from trading. And while I won't be uploading any new content, the current videos and the links will all remain here for you to revisit whenever you like. So thank you for your understanding and for your support. I sincerely wish you all the best in your trading journey in this upcoming year. And as always, trade wisely and take care. Goodbye.